How to make a video for Etsy listing. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can make a video for your digital products that you can sell in Etsy. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go to canva.com. Over here, we would be able to edit and create videos by simply clicking in this video section over here. And then you will be able to create a video for a landscape version, a mobile version, a Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok video, and many more. Now the type of video we're going to be creating is the landscape video. Over here, this is where we will be able to edit our video. We can see on the left side, we have the different styles, different templates. We have different videos that we can use for our Etsy video. There's also elements here that you can add into our video, and you could upload clips, text, and projects into your Canva account. Before we start, we will be creating first a digital product that we are going to create a video for. Now we're going to go back to the Canva home, and then we're going to search over here in the search bar, ebook covers. And then we're going to click on this ebook. And then we will be able to see a lot of templates for ebook covers that we can use as our own digital product. Now I'm going to pick a template that we will edit. I'm going to pick this simple template over here. And then I'm going to click on customize this template. And now we are redirected to the editing page of Canva. Now for now, we're going to delete this other pages over here. And we're going to focus on the cover page. We're now going to edit this cover page. I'm going to change the background to another color. We're going to change it to blue. I'm also going to change this image over here by simply clicking on it and then clicking delete. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the elements, and then we're going to search a new image. The topic is about social psychology, so I'm going to search social. And then we're going to click on photos. As you can see, there's a lot of image over here, and then we can simply choose an image that we like the most. I'm going to use this image over here. Then we can drag this over the frame that we have just deleted the earlier photo from. As you can see, the image has been replaced. Now we can also change the title to social gatherings, and we can change different components. We can delete this. We can delete this content over here on the top, and we can also move this over here, change the siding of the letters into right side, and then as you can see, we have created a random ebook cover for our digital products. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're first going to download this image into a PNG, download, and wait for it to download. After downloading, we're going to click on add a new page, and then we're going to upload the image we just downloaded. We're going to change the background to white. Then we're going to click on our image over here. Can resize it for a bit. Then we're going to go and click on edit image. Now as we scroll down, we would be able to see smart mockups over here. We're going to click on see all. And then we're going to scroll down and look for the mockup called books over here. As you can see, there's different book mockups over here. Now what we're going to choose is book 6. And then this will turn our simple ebook cover that we made earlier into a 3D book. And the next thing we're going to do is do the exact thing that we just did here, but in the video editor. Now we're going to copy this image over here, and then we're going to paste it on this video. Then as you can see here, our video has been placed here. We're going to edit the image once again. We're going to go back and look on the smart mockups. And then we're going to look for the book mockup. Then we're going to apply it here. Then we can resize this to make it a bit bigger, make it fit the page, and then we can animate this into how this will appear into the canvas. We can click on rise, we can make it pan, we can make it fade, pop up, wide, breathe, tectonic, and then many more. I'm going to choose this option pop over here. Then we're going to rearrange this. Then I'm going to change the background of our video into something closer to our theme. Can make this lighter. Then I'm going to add an element, a shape, make it darker, and then we're going to drag it over here. Going to change the position to forward. Then we can animate this into pop-up, get rise, and then we're going to add text. We can choose any font that we want here on the left side. I'm going to choose this font over here. Simply click and drag. Then we're going to adjust this. And we're going to put in information such as social gathering. You can change the font by clicking up here on the top. Make it smaller, or we can drag it from here. Then we can make it longer, social gathering. Then you can make a mini description below it. You can make a mini description for your product by dragging this text box to the page. Click here. You can add more elements over here. But you can search animated. And we're gonna have a lot of different graphics here that are animated. Now we're gonna choose what we want. I'm gonna choose the simple graphic over here. I'm gonna put it over here. Can make it that. And then I'm going to rotate it for a bit. And we're gonna make it this way. Now we're gonna click on the font. Then we can add an animation for our message over here. We can choose from basic to writing to exaggerated. I'm going to choose this bounce animation. We can add an animation for our little description. Now after that, we can simply click on play, and then we can see how our little video for Etsy is going to proceed. We can shorten the video by clicking on this side. If there's two sides of the video clip down here and then dragging it, we can make the video shorter. We can make it so that it only plays for 2.6 seconds. And then if you want to add more clips, you can simply click on this add page, and then we can create another video that is connected to this, but on a different canvas. And if you want to delete a clip, you can simply click on this three dots over here, and then you can have the different options such as add page, duplicate page, delete page, hide page, or lock page. We're going to delete our page, and as you can see, the clip is gone. Now, after creating your mini video, you can simply click on share, and then you can download it into an MP4. You can also adjust the quality from 480 to Ultra HD. And after choosing a setting, you can simply download it, and then after downloading it, you can simply upload it to your Etsy shop. And that's it, guys. That's how you can make a video for Etsy listing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.